Good morning, everybody. Well, I think it's afternoon at this point. Mom and I have ran some errands. We got some more posters printed. For Neo, we got 50 more done, printed, and we were in the process of putting them up and it started to rain. So we're home, we're gonna eat some lunch and then go out after it is done raining. And I got my lovely stuff where I put the tape. So yeah, I'm gonna go edit, eat some lunch, and then hopefully the rain will stop and we can go out and continue to put up more signs for the Neo Butt. Okay, so we got back from putting up the signs, the second set of signs because of the rain. It did not rain again. And I came home and my pins were here. They're all in here. See? But I want to go through them and check them out. And then I'll do an opening video of that probably tomorrow, so it'll go up sometime next week. But yeah, I'm gonna go look these up, watch some vlogs, and yeah, that's what we're doing, and I'll talk to y'all later. What are you doing? Huh? You look like you're gonna attack. Let's see if I go over there. Do you think she's gonna attack? Hey. Alright everybody, it is time to go to bed, but I have some good news. I got a phone call this afternoon, ow my nose, from one of the jobs I applied for. There you go. And I have a job interview on Tuesday at 12:30. I am so excited, but also so nervous because I haven't been on a job interview in like a year, so it'll be great experience, but nerve-wracking all in the same, but I'm so excited. So Tuesday at 12:30. But right now, I'm gonna head to bed. I am exhausted. This little girl and I are going to bed, and I need to charge this camera. It is blinking at me. So I'm gonna head to bed, but I want to thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you all had a great morning, evening, noon, night, whenever you're watching this. Hopefully you all have a beautiful, lovely smile on your face, and I will talk to you all lovelies in the morning. Good night. Bye. Say good night. Say good night quickly before the camera dies.